Hey guys, Jason from MPH Marine. It's early May. We're out here shooting some footage for the new Manitou Pontoons. My first day on the water with our pontoon in the water. And I gotta tell you, I'm really excited about this. We're shooting some drone footage. You guys are gonna see the videos coming out soon. But hold on tight here. We're gonna try and get a good spray video here. Love having you guys along for the ride. Hold on, baby. Well, there goes my hook. Coming in the turn here. Trying to get a good shot. Hope you can hear me. I'm gonna get a good shot of the pontoon coming out of the water. And then we're gonna pop away, hitting the good old rooster. Let's look back. We got a good rooster. Oh, not yet. Now we're shooting a rooster, baby. MPH Marine off in the sunset.